Hi there, this is Sandra with the Mortgage Center. Thanks for joining my Facebook Live tonight. I am actually not in the place that I usually am when I'm doing my lives. I am actually on location at one of my rentals, and I thought I know tonight's topic is kind of reading the fine print on a mortgage. I know that can be a bit boring, but I do want to let you know a little bit about the fine print, but I thought I'd show you because one of the things that we do at the Mortgage Center is we help like hundreds of real estate investors with their real estate investments, and I am actually a real estate investor too. So I'm on location at one of my apartments, and I want to just show you. We're in the transition between tenants. So you can see there's the painting gear. So I just wanted to show you a little bit, like I really like walk the walk and talk the talk. So you can see the tenants moved out and we're just painting the walls a fresh coat of paint. Which I think is really cool. What I thought was really interesting that the painter did you see, she's freaking amazing. Her name is Christina Taranjo. And she's painted the room, but she's gonna come back tomorrow and do some cutting. And you can see it's a really nice one-bedroom apartment. It's 1,600 square feet. I mean, not tomorrow, but we're actually gonna get this is the old tub. We're actually gonna get the tub and the tiles resurfaced. And then, I don't know if you guys allow pets in your rental property. We love pets. I'm a dog owner myself, but look at what a cat can do. So this is, you can see my borax is there. We're trying, there is this kind of floor, a click floor. We just had to pull that out, and you can see the damage of a cat. And this is what you can hear the fan, and this is what the room looks like. We got lots of fans cleaning out the cat piece. So in any case, just wanted to share that with you. I know I thought it might be interesting for you to actually see that I do walk the talk when it comes to mortgages and investment properties, and this kind of stuff doesn't bug me. It's discouraging that the place is so dirty, but in any case, we'll get it freshened up. It's now the middle of July, and the next tenant is moving in August. So we're just looking forward. And the really great thing is that the next tenant is actually a single lady. So, and I don't think she has any pets. I think she'll be a great tenant. In any case, so tonight, really what we're really here for is to talk a little bit about reading the fine print on a mortgage. And, like one of the things that you can think of us at the Mortgage Center is kind of like your highlighter. Like we read the fine print for you. I mean, we certainly encourage you to read the fine print, but we read the fine print so that you don't miss anything. And I don't know, there are just... lots of stuff out there online, and how do you believe what's true or not? So I think if you just do a quick internet search and you just type in like what's the best rate, there are some crazy things that appear. One of the things, I just actually spoke to a client this morning, and he was saying, well, I can get like 1.1% at some financial institution. I have never actually heard of the financial institution. And so I think that's the first point when it comes to making sure you're picking the right mortgage is, again, we read the fine print for you, but you not only want to make sure that you're working with a reputable mortgage center, like a mortgage broker, that it's not like in a call center. And, call centers are great, but do they really have the skill to put together like a mortgage transaction, especially if it's a little bit complicated? So not only do you want to work with a great mortgage broker that's reputable, you also want to make sure you understand who the mortgage lender is. Because every financial institution or mortgage lender, the actual institution that's going to loan you the money, has different fine print. One of the things that I find that are often overlooked is the one question you should be asking, and again, remember, we're like the highlighters for you when you're going through your mortgage documents, is can you make changes in the middle of the term of the mortgage? And oftentimes, like we'd be doing a 5-year fixed rate mortgage for the client. So can you make changes in year 2? Let's just say you want to increase your mortgage payment. Can you do that? Let's just say you lose your job and you need to refinance the mortgage. Can you refinance it within that 5-year period? A lot of mortgages that are deeply discounted, they may allow you to do that, but you may not qualify just because of your credit history, or maybe your job's changed, or maybe you're recently self-employed. So that can really get you in a jam. The next thing you want to look at too is, again, what we're talking about tonight, aside from me doing the renovations on one of my apartments, is can you move, let's just say you own your house and you want to move within that term of a mortgage, so in the middle of the term. And again, I'm using a 5-year fixed rate mortgage. So let's just say you want to move in year 3 to the next house. Is that mortgage portable? Can you take it to the next house without a penalty? And actually, I was talking to another client today, and I was explaining to them what the penalty would be on some of these deeply discounted mortgages. So for example, they were looking at a $550,000 mortgage. A standard penalty would be about 3 months worth of interest, and we calculated about $2,100. For a low rate basic mortgage, or one of those mortgages that has a deep discount to it, the penalty was actually 2.75% of the total loan amount, which was almost $15,000. Yuck. Oh my goodness. So one of the things that we do at the Mortgage Center is we help you read that fine print. And that's my live for tonight. Thanks so much for joining me tonight. I've got to get back to work and clean up some cat pee tonight that a tenant has left behind with borax. According to this old house, that's the best way to do it. But if you'd love to, I'm happy to help you. You can reach me, just message me through Facebook, or you can also connect at skipthebank.ca, and you can book a 15-minute consultation from there. Love to help you. Thanks so much for joining me at this live. Have a good night. Bye for now.